Hello and welcome to the service class with GB Audio. On the bench today I've got a Philips FCD485 MIDI system, complete system, twin cassette, CD, radio, equalizer, amplifier all built in and vinyl playing turntable on the top. Let's take a closer look at the cassette section. So we've got the take-up spool, erase head, record and play head. When the rubber pinch roller is brought up against this spindle here, the motor spindle, that's what actually drives the tape forward. Now it all looks a bit mucky. There's some dust and dirt in there. The pinch roller definitely needs a clean. The capstan pin is very messy. That would either not run properly, or at worst it could adhere to your cassette tapes and the tape would get wound around it and all tangled up. The head interestingly looks quite clean, but that should be spotlessly clean. First of all, we'll get the dust out of the way so we can see what we're doing. There we go. What we're going to use on this is isopropyl alcohol, or IPA for short, and the good old cotton bud. So douse the cotton bud in alcohol and we'll clean the tape head, even though it looks clean already, and we'll do the erase head as well. Basically we should be cleaning anything that the cassette is going to be in contact with, or anything that the tape is going to be in contact with, I should say. That's good. There was a wee bit of mess on the erase head. Now we've got to do the pulley over here, and to do that we'll put it into play mode so the pinch roller comes up and you can actually see it turning there, and it's turning the motor pin rather is turning the pinch roller, and there's a lot of gunge on the pin, so this is going to take a bit of effort. The isopropyl alcohol is a solvent, so that's going to hopefully dissolve the acetate of the tape that's all stuck on the pin. There's always this brown colour, and then we just hold it against the rubber as it runs and takes off any surface contaminants. Let's get in there. There is quite a bit of mess on this pin, surprising amount. So just keep it on there. Yeah, now at some point this is getting, cotton bud's beginning to come apart, and it's got a wee bit wrapped around the pin. There it goes. So with the head and transport mechanism clean, it's safe to put a tape in and check that that's running okay. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful at all, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment in the box down below, and good luck cleaning up your own cassette deck.